At Spirit Massage and Bodywork, we understand that life happens, plans change, and sometimes you need to cancel or reschedule your session. But sometimes things can get confusing. Missed calls or voicemails don't always count as official cancellations. To keep things simple and fair, all cancellations or reschedules must be made through the online booking system, not by phone or voicemail. If you can't access your calendar, you can also send a written message by text or email at least 24 hours before your scheduled time. When cancellations aren't confirmed properly, it prevents others from booking that time, and the therapist still prepares for your visit. That's why late or missed cancellations result in a full service fee. To avoid fees always: 1. Cancel or reschedule online. 2. Send written notice if needed. 3. Wait for your confirmation message or email. That's your proof. We're here to make every part of your experience relaxing, from booking to bodywork. Visit spiritmassage.com for policies, FAQs, and 24/7 online scheduling.